PageMajik Scheduler can help map your workflow stages to standard turnaround times and allow the system to take care of your scheduling. Double-click the book and go to the chapter view. Select hamburger icon and click Scheduler to open it. Choose the scheduler template and start date. Dates will be automatically populated for all chapters. You can change the dates manually if you wish for a selection of rows or columns, and the scheduler will recalculate automatically for that row based on your change. You will receive an alert about whether you would like to recalculate the dates for all subsequent chapters. You can choose yes or no, depending on what you wish to do. Save your changes. Once all the changes are done, click on Propose. A mail preview will open. Make any necessary changes, and click on Send. An email with an embedded link to the schedule will be triggered to the recipient. No changes can be made to the schedule until a response is received.